Hello everyone, it's Mrs Edwards here. It's Tuesday, it's time for maths. It's the 26th of January 2021. So, today we're going to be carrying on our work relating to measure and subtraction. We began working with subtraction yesterday, didn't we? And today's focus is capacity. But what do I mean by capacity? Just have a little think. So, capacity is how much a container can hold. So here are some examples of what can be a container that can hold something. They might look familiar, we looked at them last week. So you can use millilitres, litres, and 1 litre is the same as 1,000 millilitres. So here is our vocabulary wall. These are the words we're going to be using today. We've got capacity, because that's our key word today, isn't it? Millilitres and litres. And remember that we are subtracting, so we've got lots of synonyms for subtraction on the board as well. So let's just remind ourselves that 1 litre contains 1,000 millilitres. Therefore, if 1 litre contains 1,000 millilitres, 2 litres will contain 2. Oh, not down there, Mrs Edwards, up here please. 2,000 millilitres. And equally, if 6,000 millilitres equals 6 litres, doesn't it? There we go. Okay, so just a little bit of an anchor scale, something to get your brain thinking here. Eva says, I know container 1, and here's container 1, has more than container 2 because the water goes further up the side. Just pause the video, have a little look at the containers. What do you think? Is she right? Has container 1 got more in it because the water goes further up the side? Have a pause, have a think. Okay, and welcome back. And if you said that she is wrong, correct, well done. Because you have to read the scale, don't you? Like anything in measure, you have to read the scale. And you can see, even though this scale is further up at 700 millilitres, this one has actually got 750 millilitres in it. So even though that's gone up taller, this one contains more liquid. And it's all about reading scales correctly. And today, that's what we are doing. We are going to be working on subtraction involving millilitres and litres, beginning with no exchanging and then moving on to exchanging. So this is the sheet that's important today, and have a little look. I have sneaky hidden the figures there, so I'm asking you to pause the video for a minute, have a little look, see what you think. Okay, welcome back, and let's reveal the amounts for you. How did you do? I hope you did okay. There we go. So then, that was just a little bit of fun really, just to get your brains working, just to get you reading the scales. So these are the figures that are important for your first sets of questions today, okay? So, bronze children, this is the kind of question you're going to have. What is the difference between cylinder 7 and cylinder 8? So let's have a look. Here's cylinder 7 and here's cylinder 8. And cylinder 7, we've been told, has got 86 millilitres in it. And we've been told that cylinder 8 has got 35 millilitres in it. So there we go. So we now need to work that out, but we are not doing addition today, we are doing subtraction, aren't we? And we always start in our ones column, just in case we need to exchange. So let's have a little look. 6 take away 5. So 6 take away 5. Let's have a think. 6 take away 5. Our answer is going to be 1, isn't it? There we go. And 8 take away 3, 8 take away 3, our answer is going to be 5. Oh, wrong side, Mrs Edwards. Our answer is going to be 5. Computer's been a bit silly tonight. Oh, it's definitely been a bit silly tonight. but we need to remember the millilitres, don't we, because we are talking about volume today. So there we go. So this is the sort of layout you need to remember and you need to focus on, okay my darlings? So here are your bronze questions. You've got your sheet. None of them need exchanging. I just want to see you using column subtraction confidently, identifying the correct capacity. Okay, when you've completed that bronze, for your silver and gold challenges today, you need to move on to using your exchanging skills. And exchanging skills, remember, are when we have to knock on next door and we have to say, can I please borrow? So let's look at my problem here. 345 millilitres take away 127 millilitres. So let's begin by looking. Can we take 7 from 5? Well, no, we can't, can we? So we need to knock, knock, knock. And we need to say to the tens column, please can I borrow? And hopefully the tens column will say, why yes, of course you can. And it will make the 4 become a 3 because we are then going to put that 10 amount in there, aren't we? There it is. So 15 take away 7, well we can do that now, can't we? So 15 take away 7 is 8. There we go, in that column. Now let's move along and look at our tens column. Well, it's not 4 take away 2 anymore, is it? It's 3 take away 2 because we had to exchange, didn't we? And the answer to that is 1. And then our hundreds column is 3 take away 1, which equals 2. There's our 2, there we go. And so we know that our answer there will be 218. Just remember that you need to make sure you alter your tens column so that that 10 amount can go across to your ones column appropriately. Okay, my lovelies, there are your silver gold questions. See how you get on. There are 5 to go on, and let's see. I look forward to seeing your work later. If you manage to work your way through all of those, well done you in our hour for maths. And if you move on, you are then moving on to subtraction questions that involve 2 steps or more. So you've got some problem solving to do there, because if you're moving on to platinum, you're starting to look at year 4 standards, so well done you. And then here are the problems for you to work out. I hope that your maths goes okay today. I look forward to marking your work later. Take care everyone. Speak to you later. Bye bye.